Did you know you can achieve perfect 20/20 vision? Without surgery, doctor visits, any intrusive methods, expensive glasses, or painful eye exercises. In fact, you can restore your dying vision and have better sight than an army sniper. Vision problems like glaucoma, cataracts, blurred or distorted vision, floaters, diabetic retinopathy, and age-related macular degeneration become more prevalent after age 50. Thanks to a new breakthrough discovery in the field of adult repair stem cells, people can now restore their vision to near 20/20 levels. These stem cells are already in your body. All you need to do is awaken them. This solution is based on a Nobel Prize-winning discovery that can help you get 20/20 vision naturally. Then scientists from Yale, Harvard, Johns Hopkins, and the National Health Services in the UK continued the research and found the key to reverse your aging vision. This solution was tested successfully on 8,400 volunteers in 14 independent labs in 4 countries, and then released to the public. So far, over 110,000 people worldwide have already applied this solution and have restored their vision. Here's a comment from a recent product purchaser's experience. I could barely see 6 months ago. Things started to get better with sight care. I was finally able to care for myself. As time went by, things improved until I can proudly say I now have almost 20/20 vision. I went from practically blind to not needing glasses at all. But to take advantage of this breakthrough product, you must act quickly. It is only available on the website you will be directed to in a minute. Supplies are not guaranteed because the unique ingredients are sourced from countries around the world and supply chain clogs happen more often than ever. Second, major manufacturers in the trillion-dollar vision industry view our solution as a major threat to their profitability. As a result, there is no assurance that our website will be available indefinitely. Click the link in the description below to be taken to a page where you can access all the information about how this solution can restore your vision. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and that will encourage us to make more videos on this topic. To view other videos like this that focus on typical health challenges seniors experience and possible remedies, click subscribe. To let us know your most pressing question about the topic of today's video, use the comment section below. We'll likely produce a video answering your question or post an article on our blog. The link is in the description.